What's up, YouTube? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be putting a transmission in this good old Casper here. Also got this little doohickey here. It's the MGW X-Spec short shift something 1114 X-Spec LP. So we're gonna be installing that. What's up, bud? Hey. You ready to get to work?
Yeah.
Kev, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Are we fucking filming our misery?
Absolutely.
All right, cool.
And our midgets.
And our midgets. All right.
And then there's like a dynamat and a thingamat. I don't know. It's a lot of mats. Let's do it. Alright, so here we got our good old stage 2 transmission from Calimer Transmission. They were kind enough to send out the oil that needs to go in there, so that's neat of them. Manual transmission and transaxle gear lube, 75W90, API GL4. Yeah. This is what I do all day. It's just open oil. And then we'll come out the side. No switch hands. Not broken. And upright. Yeah, it's very light. Yeah.
And some kid who's gonna like look for ways to do it. Like, what the fuck?
How to install MT-82? Why is it so easy for them? Because we edit out all the hard parts.
Okay.
Hold right there for a second.
Hey.
Okay. Bowling socks. Doesn't get any better than that. Okay.
Second bolt.
Top door tight.
Second bolt.
So technically speaking, we put a transmission under an hour.
Well, it's not in yet.
First thing that's gonna go on is this.
Which we're reusing from the other transmission.
Yeah, exactly. Get these on. Put these on the sides. Crank down on these as soon as both of them are on.
So this side doohickey goes in under here.
Yep.
To that.
Yeah.
And then the other thing goes into the thing.
Yep.
The thing that's bubble wrapped. Why is all the fancy shit stuff you can't see once it's in?
Yeah, nobody can admire it. Well, that's why you're taking a video. Since you'll never see it again.
Right. Hopefully never see it again.
Yeah, hopefully. That's the idea, at least. Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
These better be the best shifts in the world.
Like
Here you go. Hey Kev, can you crank it up for me? A little bit more, yep. Alright, can you change the station real quick for me?
Yeah, of course.
Appreciate it. What size you say that bolt was? What was it, 133 inch-pounds?
I think it was foot-pounds.
Oh, okay. 80? There we go. Oh, perfect. And this was supposed to be 35 once we tighten it down, right? 35 foot-pounds?
Yes.
Alright, that's on.
And it's gonna be tight because this one's painted. It's all painted over, so you're probably gonna have to shimmy it around until it scrapes that paint off some. Now we got all the hands.
So we can definitely block the shot.
Yes. Oh man.
I'm still managing. Can you hear that?
Yeah, look at that. Listen to that perfect fit. Fast. Okay. That's checked.
Now we should not need this jack at all. We lower it, it just falls out.
I'll cry. Stop.
It's like the third time we've removed these.
Does it get easier with time?
No, because the bolts are just as rusted. And I think we should have put new bolts on here by now. He died. That thing is like light as fuck.
Yeah, it's probably nothing.
Yeah, but it's at least coming back up. I'm gonna get out so my leg doesn't fall off. It was starting to get a little rough, and then all of a sudden it just lost pressure.
I'm sad.
How bad did it leak?
Oh, it's pissing out.
I see it drip.
Yeah, it was just pouring out.
Come here, dog. Come here. Yeah, you. What are you doing? Where'd you come from? Hi. I have camera. Come here, dog. Yeah. Do you have rabies? Hi. Why do you, like, you look like a fancy rat. Don't pee on me. Oh shit. So just got back from the good old store to pick up this doohickey because it exploded all over the floor. And so I'm gonna fill it up again in this doohickey while he makes sure that that's secured and it's not gonna happen again. Got rid of this old disgusting little one. It looks like a rat's nest. And we got this nice new one, looks real pretty. Nice and pretty looking. Now we just gotta bleed the clutch a little more. Reverse. Yeah, she's got it. First try, baby. Let's go, stop it. Go back to first. And then we'll go back to reverse. Good? Yep. Hey! Yeah! After one clutch, 2 shift linkages, 3 transmissions, and a lot of headache, finally have the car back on the road and all the gears work. It's been a long time coming to get to this point, so we went ahead and installed that new Stage 2 MT-82 from Caliber Transmissions. They've been extremely helpful in this whole process. And then we went ahead and installed the MGW shifter with the X-Spec. I think it's the lowest one you can get, the most aggressive one possible. That feels amazing, it feels great. But yeah, here we have it. You know, the car's back on the streets, back on the road, sporting that RXT something twin disc clutch. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. Subscribe if you want to, it's free. You can always change your mind later. So, until next time, deuces.